never expect of the order so
Who they ask this?
Guys, 5 more. Probably him never expect it. 3 more roads, chat. 4 more, guys. 3 more, quick.
Okay. Whoa. Time goes
Some
by.
people very funny, you know, chat. Some people very funny. Some people very funny. Some people. Why? Guys, use the triple tap.
Time goes by so slowly.
You have some people we say if them realize there's something too much, and I say, no, sir, me not pay this year. You know, have nothing can put funny. You can't put something towards they have some people that just not talk. They will just
I know what the fuck up thing about this. Me I got hate forever hate right you, me a black him.
No,
you know
but
what
you have to understand for a pin pine say him.
You know what me got forever hate about pan right you? It's when you know what me got what me hate right you chat. You see when we took up the 2 fish and the man said 13,800. I'm going to order the lobster, I'm going to order the fish. Why right we never say, okay, Rosalie, I will pay for the fish and you pay for those things that you order extra because whatever you. Triple can't say anything, she don't advise fair opinion. I can't beat her for fair opinion. I can't beat her for fair opinion because she never did it. When you take up the 2 fish and the man said 13,800 and I said to you that is that cool with you? You said yes. When we go back again and I say more crab and lobster and the man said 5,000 for the fucking 5,000 for the crab and 6,000 for the lobster. And I said to you, is that fine with you? You said yes. When I was ordered, remember order behind your back, right, you? Miss, have a good day, Triple. Me not gonna do this. Me not gonna do it. No. Me not gonna do it, Triple. Have a good day. Me not gonna do it. Me not gonna do it with you. Me not gonna do it none at all. It not gonna make no sense. It not gonna make no sense. It come like say me I talk to the opposite or something. I know what you pick up for me, but more you see what me I say. It not gonna do it, not gonna work out. You not understand what me I say. And for you not understand what I said, in a sense, me I talk to you, because I have to talk to people who can understand what me I say. When I was ordering the stuff, I asked you if it was okay. I asked you if it was okay. I ask you. So when you come on social media going like say, me force and bill for your brother. How you do that?